I am original. I will not be fake to fit in. I will not change to blend in. I will not cheat to get in. I will not filter to look slim. I am comfortable with my skin. I am happy with my chin. I am black. Front and back, left and right. I'm not dull, I'm bright. But I live in a country, most people are white. You may consider me the minority, but one with God is a majority. No more insecurity, I will apply for that opportunity. They say equal chances, equality. I got an interview for formality, but they already know who they wanted. It wasn't me, but that doesn't change my identity. I'm already defined. I used to be rusty before, but now I'm refined. I had eyes, but I didn't know I was blind until my Father in heaven said, "My child, you are mine." I am on purpose, deliberately created. Mom and dad frustrated, didn't plan me, but I'm relevant, not outdated. God knows me my name. I am not an accident. You can call me a gift. I am a present. I was created for a purpose, delivered to deliver, living life healthy, no sickness or fever. I am protected. New definition, living life with a mission, not afraid of them coming with opposition. God is my shield, God is my guide. He is backing me, I will not hide inside. I will not run from the day, I will not run from the night. I will walk through darkness, God is my light. I will not run from, I will run to. God will give me the strength and courage to go through my go through. I am victory. I will run my race, thank God for His grace. I will set the pace and I will finish first place. I am running with God, me, myself and I will not give up, I will continue to try. Keep speaking the truth, I will not lie, I will live, I will not die. I'm a new man. Not the same guy you used to know. I'm aiming high now, but I used to aim low. My past is in the bin. I'm not the same Tim. I'm not the same Jim. Jesus entered in. I have victory over sin. I put aside the gin. I lost, but now I win. Used to self-harm with a pin, but now my trust is in Jesus. My faith is in Him. Anyway, back to the main subject of today. He gave me this skin. And this voice, and this accent. I won't be silent, I make noise. I will not be fake to fit in. I will not change to blend in. I will not cheat to get in. I will not filter to look slim. I am happy with my chin. I am comfortable with my skin. I will run my race, and by God's grace, I will win.
Black doesn't mean back. Black doesn't mean slack. Black doesn't mean pack. Black doesn't mean go stack. Black doesn't mean sack. Black doesn't mean lack. Black doesn't mean off track. Black doesn't mean we smack. Black doesn't mean hide your iMac. Black doesn't mean hijack. Black doesn't mean we hack. Black doesn't mean we attack. Black doesn't mean you attack. Black doesn't mean Jack should stay away from Zach. Black doesn't mean tit for tat. Black doesn't mean we are like this or we are like that. Black is beautiful, like everything else God made. That is a fact.